The second epithelial tissue which we'll discuss is the connective tissue. As the name suggests, the main function of the connective tissue is to connect various parts of the body. The functions of the connective tissue are transportation of materials from various parts of the body to the various other parts, defense and protection, insulation, cushion-like effect. Now, the various parts of the connective tissue are, I've already told, this is the connective tissue. It is divided into vascular connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue, and connective tissue proper. Now coming on to the further subclassification of it, the vascular connective tissue is divided into blood and lymph, and the connective tissue proper is divided into areolar connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, yellow fibers, and the white fibers. Now coming on to blood. What is blood? In simple words, it is the fluid connective tissue. The blood is again divided into two main categories. It is the plasma and the cells. The plasma comprises of about 55% of blood, and the cell, also known as the corpuscles in case of blood, are responsible for the 45% of the blood. The plasma consists the fluid portion of the blood. It consists of around 90 to 95% of water, and the remaining 5 to 10% is solids. These solids are of two types. It may be organic and inorganic. The organic portion comprises of the proteins like the albumin, globulin, etc. And inorganic portion will comprise of sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride, and the list goes on. Now coming on to the cell part of it, the blood consists of three major types of cell. They are the RBCs, WBCs, and the platelets. The RBCs are also known as the red blood corpuscles, WBCs are known as the white blood corpuscles, and these are the platelets which help in the clotting. The main function of the RBC is transport of oxygen. The main function of the WBC is in defense, and in platelets I've told it is clotting. Now after the blood, the next component of the vascular connective tissue I've told you is lymph. Lymph is nothing but it comprises of plasma minus the clotting factors. It is the lymph. Lymph is also called as the middleman. It is a yellow colored fluid that bathes all the organ and fills the spaces between them. Now this is all about the vascular connective tissue. The next topic is connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. This is of the four type: areolar connective tissue, adipose connective tissue. It comprises of two fibers. They are the yellow fibers and white fibers.